Welcome to Angela's Funtime Show. Today, she is going to play with her LOL RC wheels that she got for Christmas.
Now we finally got it out and look. There's something at the bottom. Come on. Cool. So, just like this. Get it out. So, we just got this girl right here. We got this girl, really cool girl. And yeah, so let's see what she got. Oh, she got a little band. We have a water bottle, cool. Also, this is what it looks like. This is the band. Oh, this is a cool little hat, really cute. Looks like this. Really cool. We have cool sunglasses. They look like fire sunglasses. And then we have one more blind bag, a little coat. So this is our doll that we have right here. I have to use my magic scissors to cut her band. Be careful, guys. If you have this at home, please ask an adult to help you do this. But look how cute the doll looks when you take her out. Look at her hair. It's black and blue. And she has some bangs, really hard bangs, but they're super cute. She is just super cute. I love her. Look at her. She's so cute. Let's dress up our doll with all our accessories. Okay, come on. Let's do it. So now she's going to put on her nice hat. Look at her, she's shining already. And then she has French fries, Happy Meal. Then she has a water bottle drink. Then she has a comb and she's ready to roll. I'm gonna be controlling her with these buttons. I can do right and left. And also, I can also turn it on the side so it can do up and down. Okay, let's go, baby. Okay. We have to get her racing, and she's racing with someone. So move over because the girl is gonna come. So let's control. So let's put it right here, and let's put her racing helmet. And let's. Did you see that, guys? So then you can do the front. Wait, they have to back up first. Oh, that was fun. Woo!
Oh, here she goes.
Yeah. Hi guys, hope you have a nice day, and please subscribe to me if you haven't, and watch my other videos, all the Christmas videos, all my presents I opened. Bye! And please subscribe.